Hey guys, what's up? It's James the Pro Gamer here, and today I'm going to be playing Motocross Madness. And I'm joined with Emily, if she puts her mic back in. So, yeah. Emily, are you going to put your mic back in?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. So I am joined. Let's do a race. Yeah. So I'm joined with my stepsister, Xperia Dice. So say hi. How about you just said it like really nervously?
I was nervous.
Yeah, you were just like, hi. Plus, my avatar is a girl, sadly, because my mom. Yeah.
Could you ask your mom if you can change the avatar?
She won't let me.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh, I get to change my bike. No. No.
Oh, who is that?
Who the hell is that?
I don't know. I done a private slot.
There we go. Right, I'm ready. The game starts in. Oh, for real?
Damn it.
Mate, leave. Seriously, I just wanna. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to race with other people. I don't mind. As long as I get this video uploaded, I'll be fine. So these people will be on YouTube. So if you watch YouTube, shout out to me to bake.
Right now.
Yeah, that would be so weird. I mean, like, it would just be like, oh, it's James the Pro Gamer! Ah! I'll just be like, oh, look, it's friends. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, and then they'll be like, oh, it's boring badge. It's not James the Pro Gamer. It is, okay? So if you're watching this right now, those people that are on Xbox, shout out. Plus, if you have your own YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And maybe you can be in one of my videos, which you are right now. So yeah, once again, shout out to them. So yeah, we're gonna be doing an online race. I'm excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Yeah, come on. Right, let's go! Got the boost, boys! I literally did get the boost. Oh god, somebody pushed me off. Yeah, I haven't played this game in a long time, so I might be cracked. Like that! Because, yeah. I bailed 25 feet. Oh god, I hit the side. Yeah.
What place are you at?
7. No, for real. No, I'm not gonna crash. Ah! It's just stuck. It's stuck on one screen on the webcam. I'm lost. Oh, front flip, mate! Who are you messing with?
Did you get in front of me?
No, I did a front flip, but oh, somebody left the game.
Someone left the game. Oh no, I'm definitely lost.
Oh yes. Come on, for real, mate. For real. Double front flip.
Well, I think I'm not in the race chat.
I see you in front of me.
That's probably different.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm the
Yeah, I crashed. Oh, not anymore, mate. Oh, stop that. In the inside lane, mate. Who are you messing with? It's Helmet Boy. It's Helmet Boy, mate.
It's Summary Girl. We're racing it.
Yeah, it's Helmet Boy. It's Helmet Boy and Racy Girl.
Because I've got loads of boots.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. I almost crashed.
No, I crashed.
That's a lesson. Don't use your boost at the right. Don't use your boost at the wrong time.
I crashed again.
I did a front flip.
I rage quit.
No, you don't. Oh, I just crashed.
Yes.
You literally just left.
Yes.
Oh, Emily. Oh, in between is.
Oh, your fans are a rager.
Yep. Emily is a rager. We've just proved it on.
I'm going to invite my friends to the party.
We'll do it.
But we're in a YouTube video.
Huh? Send him a message. Huh?
It's an MW3. That is not fair.
What is going on MW3?
Yeah, I can't say that. Because
Don't say retarded, please. Because it's you. Look, there's young people watching. I mean, like my friends are watching this.
Alright.
Triple front flip. Triple front flip. What are you messing with? Oh, that front flip though. That crash though. Why did you leave? Oh, Helmet Boy, mate! Who are you messing with? It's Helmet Boy! I'm not gonna rage quit on camera. Plus it's just frozen on one screen. Sorry guys if I come last because I haven't played this game in a long time. Oh bugger. Oh, I did a double front flip. Using all the boost. Double front flip and I fell through a gap. Hi Holly. I'm recording, by the way.
Cool.
So,
Holly, I'm sorry, I can't play MW3. Cool.
Holly,
Joe?
I am recording. I'm recording, by the way. So, if you want to say hi to the audience, you can.
Holly. James, can you end the YouTube video?
Hang on.
And make sure we're through your headset.
Oh, anyways. It's been 10 minutes already, so, yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye!